Right, welcome back everybody to a brand new video, and here today we are in Wales. Now we are exploring this abandoned coach storage area or something. I can't remember what it is. Yeah, so I'm here exploring with Taser Urbex, an abandoned explorer. Links will be in the description. It's overlooked by a house, so yeah, we're gonna have a quick look around. Just look at this. So that minibus there, that minibus doesn't look that old. It's like a 59 plate, I think it is. But some of these other coaches are a lot older. They've definitely seen better days. I think you can actually go on some of these as well, look. Yeah, you see, you can actually go on some of these coaches, look. Which is pretty cool. So who was the cool kid that used to go straight to the back when they used to go on coach trips and stuff like that with schools? He used to get straight on the coach and go straight to the back. I know that was me. So we just come into one of the garages that Neil pointed out. We've got some old cars in here. Is that a Honda? I think that's a Honda.
Yeah? What's that middle car though?
I'm not sure. Is that a Toyota? Shall we have a look, see if there's any badges around the front?
Okay, so you come into one of the buildings and you found 3 cars. Now I'm not really into my cars, so I don't really know much about them. They do look like very old classics.
Yeah, so that's a Honda. Porsche. It's a Porsche.
Is it a Porsche?
Yeah, it's got Porsche down the side of it.
So yeah, this middle car's a Porsche. So that's how this car come in this garage. But yeah, let's go around the front and see what this car looks like from the front. Yeah, there we go, look. If I come lower, you can see it says Porsche down the side. How amazing. Tools. Is it tools? I've got tools over here. Got some tools. Like ratchets, screws. Do you need any ratchets, Anthony?
Yeah, got plenty.
What's that one size that always goes missing?
Yeah, there's all like bits of nuts and bolts and stuff like that there, isn't there?
There's a lot of VHS tapes. Like I said in one of my last videos, guys, for you younger viewers, can't tell you, through the door. For you younger viewers, this is how we used to watch our movies. There's no such thing as DVDs.
It's Nathan.
Have you been in a bus yet?
Not the bus. I've been in a coach and then I've come straight in here.
Some of them cars are cooler. Got a Porsche in the middle. That's nice. And Austin on the end.
There's a whole yard there as well, that side. There's loads of them go that way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so we come back outside. There's loads of bits over here. Looks like there's a workshop in there as well. So there's a workshop there. There's a door holding that door closed, but I don't think there's actually anything in there worth looking at, to be honest. Bits and bobs. Right, so we come into another part of the building. Look how the elements are coming through here. You've got the moss growing on the floor and everything. Looks amazing. Old pump taps for something. Let's have a look, see what we can see, if we can see what it is.
Oh, windy, eh? It smells quite damp as well.
Yeah.
See the ceiling now.
Oh, yeah. There's a set of stairs there. Yes.
Oh my god, yeah, it's a rotten window.
So I'm wondering if this was a petrol station, just thinking about it now, I wonder if that was the shop, like a forecourt shop,
Probably, yeah.
where people used to come in to pay.
This might have been back of house stuff and this was upstairs.
Yeah. Ah, pub.
What's that?
It could have been, because there's bar stuff there, unless it's related to that.
Oh, well, yeah, maybe. It's like a beer pump, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's another building over there, by the way, as well. With more.
Yeah. There's just like loads and loads of seats in here, really, isn't there?
So much stuff in beer pipes, beer lines. We didn't notice over here was actually an old sort of boxes, wasn't it? Sort of kettles. That was beer pump, so I think we had a bar or something.
Yeah, so there we go. That's the other room. Could have been like a restaurant or something, like a diner. I think this was a diner.
Oh, really?
Because looking through here, it's got that, like, you know, like in America they've got like those like diners, like stop diner things, whatever you want to call them. It looks like one of those if you look around here. There's the roof. There isn't any. I'm not joking.
Funny enough, guys, there was actually a second floor to this place. How steep these stairs are.
Not safe, probably.
Right?
Don't know how safe this is though.
I don't know how far we're actually going to go.
I ain't gonna go any further than this. Right, so I turn around and I've noticed in there there's like loads of seat belts from the buses and coaches. So it looks like just kind of like a storage area, really. Old cassette player. Does this play vinyl? I think this got a vinyl player on top as well. So yeah, used to play vinyl as well. Which is pretty cool. So I was going to have a look around the old buses and coaches. So apparently I think there's some more classic cars here as well. We're going to have a look. Wonder if I can... No, so that one's locked. So we got old bus there. Don't even... These cars are not even old, to be honest. I mean, it's been some time since fuel was that price. 98p? Quite some time since fuel's been 98p. Can I get down there? I don't think I can. No. So this looks all burnt out. Four-star diesel. Right, so we've managed to get into the other part. Yeah, had a little walk around, found a hole in the fence and managed to get into the other part, but this is where most of the like school buses and coaches are. Pretty good. How far can you get around? Can you get all the way around there?
I haven't really explored all the way around it.
Oh, right. Waiting for Nathan to show up. You feel all alone.
A little bit.
Right, now I
Open.
can't seem to open it.
You pull that side, I'll pull this side.
No. Oh, 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 ho, ho.
Teamwork, except now my camera's all skew.
This is a weird one.
My gimbal's got a bit funny. I think I knocked it.
Oh, okay.
Look at that.
That's a good angle, that.
Yes, I know. Stop tantruming.
What happened to the ceiling? The ceiling. No smoking on the bus. Is that for the people on the bus or is that for the driver? Well, technically he's on the bus, isn't he?
There we go, right. Sorry about that, guys, you're watching. The gimbal just gave up the coach because it got whacked by the door.
Bumper.
I'm going to try again.
Straight to the back with the cool kids.
That's true, yeah. I used to always be at the front. Because I'm not cool enough.
I know, it's just like bubbled.
It's like a puffy marshmallow. Is that, oh no, it's just hanging down.
Yeah, it's hanging down. I think the ceiling's like literally just come off the ceiling.
I thought it was just the design. I thought it was that sort of shape.
And now we've got a red one there. Oh, this seems to go quite far back as well, to be fair. It doesn't look like the ceiling's hanging on this one. The doors open better as well. Oh no, the ceiling's... Is the ceiling hanging? Nah, the ceiling's better in this one, look. I don't think that smells fresh anymore, though. The floor feels a bit spongy. This seems to go quite far back. I mean, you've got all these scout guides. Running away.
Not the explorer type.
No. It looks like an old pickup there. I think it is. An old truck. So used to winch like buses or trucks onto the back or something and tow them down like a tow truck. It's just quite amazing how everything's just left here as well. Just like to rot. No one's doing anything with them all. And there's the got the edge of the building around there. Can we get to the building? That's the question. Go fight the spider webs. Just the way all these coaches are just like left here to rot. And we found the other door. It looks pretty sealed and locked though. That could be for something separate. Oh, that's for the little door. There's just like random, I think they're all like minibuses, and I've just seen a really old minibus, an old coach or minibus or whatever you would like to call it. This green one back here, look. It looks pretty cool, this one. Oh my god. Look at this one. It's in amongst other ones as well, which is really sad, so I don't even think, oh, I might even be able to get into it, look. Look at this ceiling. Oh, watch your head, the ceiling's falling. Wow, look at that. That's pretty old, that. It was a Bedford. That's pretty good. Right, so we've got this other coach here as well. Right, so I've walked down the side of the entire of this building, to the garage or whatever it is, and you definitely can't get in. There is no way in, unfortunately. It is most definitely locked. There's a lock on the front of it and round the other side. So unfortunately we can't see what's in that incredible garage. There is some nice coaches in there as well, like older coaches. That's a shame. But hey ho, we've still got all this. Alright, let's meet up with the rest of the guys now. Oh, look at the tread on this. Just before we meet up. I don't think that's going to be passing MOT anytime soon. You actually see the metal wire. Alright, let's go meet up with the other two.